everyone, this is Shakha and welcome to Beatdown Style Under 3, where we break down the latest looks of Bollywood celebrities. Today we're breaking down a look of Ananya Panday, who was seen at the recent promotion of her upcoming film. She wore a t-shirt, a graphic t-shirt by New Look, which she styled with a skirt. It was a pink midi skirt which had really cute heart prints on it, and it had an asymmetrical ruffle detail from the front. The skirt is from Boohoo, and she styled the look with her hair up in a bun, and it was teased from the crown area, and she finished the look with a pair of tie-up heels from Public Desire. Now I feel like your change in hairdo can do so much to a look, and I like the way Ananya's worn the t-shirt as a crop top. So all she did is just pull all the extra fabric up and just tie it up on the side, so it looks really cool and sexy, and there's a little bit of the midriff showing, and it just gives an edgier twist to a really feminine midi skirt like the one that she was wearing. So taking inspiration from Ananya, I'm going to show you some fun ways in which you can style your skirts and t-shirts. So the first skirt that we have over here is a very interesting skirt in itself. It's a vertical striped skirt, so if you're conscious about looking shorter in a longer length, then this is going to do the magic, because vertical stripes can make you look taller. And it also has this fun draping in the front, so you could either drape it up or drape it on the side or leave it loose. So there are several ways in which you can wear this, and then what you can style it with is a simple t-shirt like this one. So this can be a really subtle print clash as well, where you have a animal print over here, and you could completely pick up all the excess fabric and tie it in the back and make this t-shirt a crop top with a stripe over here. The other way that you can do it is straight up taking inspiration from Ananya. Over here you have this fun, really cute and flirty midi skirt. As you can see, it has a very feminine floral print on it. So what you could style it with is a t-shirt like this that has a neon print. You can take all the excess fabric just the way Ananya did and tie it up all on the side and have yourself a nice outfit. That's all from this episode of Beatdown Style Under 3. I'll see you guys in another episode. Bye! So recently, Ananya Panday has been killing it with her promotional looks. For her recent appearance, she was seen wearing Leo and Lynn separates, which taught us how to use your oversized white shirt, long line white shirt, or white shirt dress as something new. Now here's breaking her look down. She was seen wearing a white shirt dress that was layered with a high-waisted paper bag waist PVC skirt that had a geometric print on it. Taking inspiration from Ananya's look, I'm going to show you guys how you can style your white shirt peeping through your skirt or your pair of shorts. We're going to start with a very casual look. You can take your white shirt like this one. This is a long line oversized white linen shirt. As you can see, the length is super long. You could leave the few buttons over here open and then pair it with a pair of distressed shorts like these ones. These are booty shorts, so they're really short. So what you could do is just tuck the shirt inside, leave the buttons in the bottom open so that the shirt is peeking through both the sides, and you have a little bit of the shirt sticking out, or even if your pockets are sticking out in your shorts, that looks really cool as well. So this is one way to do it. The other way that you could do it is to be a little bit more preppy, and taking inspiration from Ananya, she was wearing a black skirt which was made of a PVC fabric, and PVC is actually a really big trend. But we have one over here which is again a geometric print. This is a checkered print, so you could just wear this skirt over your shirt and have the hem of the shirt peeking out a little bit, making for a really cool and chic outfit. That's all from this episode of Taking Style Tips from Ananya Panday's promotional look. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Today we're talking about a look of Ananya Panday, who was looking super cute in an off-the-shoulder skater-styled red dress for a Christmas celebration. The dress was knee-length and she styled it with strappy red metallic sandals. She wore a fresh face of makeup with her hair in a low bun and a few strands left loose to frame her face. I think this look of Ananya Panday's is such a simple look, yet such a statement. A red dress, I believe, is the new LBD, and it's something that every girl must have in her wardrobe. When you're heading out to a party or an event, you're bound to stand out in a red dress. It's definitely a head turner. But the key is to pick the right dress for your body type and skin tone. So let me break it down for you guys. First up, if you want to pick the correct color of red for your skin tone, you need to first determine whether your skin tone is warm or cool. Whether it's a red hair color, a red lipstick, or a red garment, you need to know your skin tone to pick the correct red to complement you. If you have a warmer skin tone, then you can go for more neutral tones of red, such as this, or a red dress like this one. So these would be considered as the classic red color. These are more neutral tones of red and complement warmer skin tones or olive skin tones, especially Indian skin tones, the best. The red dress that Ananya was wearing was also in a neutral tone of red. If you have a cooler skin tone, which means your veins are blue in color, you can pick a red in a more jewel tone, which means you can move towards a burgundy or even a plum or a deeper red. Let me show you. So say for example, a maroon or deeper red like this one would complement someone with a cooler skin tone. Now as for cuts and styles, if you're a petite girl, you could go for a body hugging red dress, something like this. This is a red bodycon dress which also has a V neckline. It helps accentuate your curves, it helps you look more fuller and completely flatters your figure. If you're someone who's a little bit more curvier, you could go for a cut like this one, something similar to what Ananya was wearing. This one has a boat neck with a cold shoulder around the neckline and short sleeves, and it's a skater style dress. This of course is in a more plum hue of red. Another option for petite girls could be a dress like this one. This is a straight fit, so it's comfortable, and at the same time the neckline of this is super sexy. It's a high neck along with a racer back. What you could wear something like this with is a pair of red strappy heels, the way Ananya did. Another option that you could go for if you really want to be a head turner is to pick a sturdy fabric like velvet. Velvet is a really big trend for fall winter as well, and it's a really warm fabric at the same time. You could layer something like this with another tone of red to make the two colors stand out and complement each other. That's all from this episode of Beatdown Style Under 3. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Today we're breaking down a look of Ananya Pandey, who was seen wearing a neon green fitted tank top that she styled with a high waist white mini skirt, and then she further styled the look with a pair of peep toe mustard wedges. The entire look was really cute and chic. She wore a very fresh and dewy face of makeup and left her hair natural and loose. So I've pulled out a couple of pieces over here to help you guys pick up inspiration from Ananya and style an outfit similar to that of hers. The first one we have is a neon tank top, very similar to the one that Ananya was wearing, and you can pair it with a white skirt. A white skirt in a denim fabric, I think, is a better option to try. Even Ananya was wearing a white mini denim skirt, only because it's sturdier and it looks stiffer, so it just makes it look a bit more polished. And also white in denim is really trending, so a white denim jacket, white jeans or a white denim skirt is something that you should totally invest in. You could style this look with a pair of mustard or brown wedge peep toes like the way Ananya did, and you'll have yourself a complete outfit similar to that of Ananya Pandey's. Another way that you could style it is to pick up a skirt that has a bit of a print on it. So over here you have this mini skirt which is millennial pink in color and it's checkered, and what you could style it with is another hue of pink. So you can pick a neon pink tank top. This is actually a workout tank top. Workout tank tops come in really cool colors and shades, and they're also breathable and summer friendly. So I think they're a great option to pick up and put into your weekend wear as well. So this can be another outfit that you could try. The last outfit that you could try is by going with neons in your bottoms instead of your top. Over here we have a pair of high waist neon shorts, and what you could style this with is a nice yellow tank top up top. So they're both in a very golden yellow family, but at the same time distinctively bright colors. This is a bit more of a subtle neon and the yellow over here is super bright, so this would make for a cute combination. A pair of cane wedges or flat forms would look great with this outfit. That's all from this episode of Ananya Pandey's look. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.